A fishing lure or foam rubber wobbler is a lure most commonly used for predator fishing. But it is also effective for catching any other fish. Made in the shape of a fish. It is made of foam rubber. Thanks to the porous structure, the fish does not sink and retains its buoyancy in water, which distinguishes it from other baits and attracts the attention of fish. Due to the indispensable quality of foam rubber to absorb liquids, attractants can be successfully used for fishing. Attractant, a substance that attracts fish to the source of the smell. One of the most effective attractants is the impregnation of foam rubber with fish blood, cutting the gills and bleeding. But many do not consider this method humane and lean towards other options, such as garlic, anise, or even fish oil. Despite the very unpleasant smell of the substance, fishing can please you with a large catch. Other specialized attractants can also be found at the angler's specialty store. The advantages of a foam rubber wobbler are as follows. 1. Easy to make bait. Foam rubber sponge, a minimal set of tools and successful fishing awaits you. 2. Phenomenal catchability compared to other types of wobblers. 3. Versatility. Using various ways to snap a wobbler to a fishing line, you can catch it both on a clean bottom and in places with many stones and plants that can hook a hook. It also has the advantage of being able to be used at any depth, on strong currents, and in stagnant water bodies. 4. The wobbler has outstanding flight and casting performance. 5. Positive buoyancy. The bait, standing vertically on the bottom, attracts the predator much better than passively lying on it. 6. Indestructibility. Foam rubber, due to its dense structure, withstands many times more bites than silicone baits. 7. A unique opportunity for a wobbler is the use of attractants. 8. The incredible cheapness of the wobbler.